su RGVTRUCKS TV. Bienvenidos para atrás, para el canal de sus compas de RGVTRUCKS. Today, guys, very exciting day, and I know we have been delayed on giving you an update on the Burnout truck, but the reason that we took a little bit long is because we were waiting some parts, and well, it was worth it. I'm proud to say that QA1 Suspension has partnered up with us and sent us the front coilover kits and the rear shocks. I think I don't know if they're adjustable. We're gonna have the best of both worlds, IC plus QA1. I mean, it can't get any better than that. We really appreciate QA1 for jumping in and choosing Dos Vatos del Valle, you know, in our journey of doing the Burnout truck. And I can't wait to see how it handles and how it looks. So yeah, we're on our way to IC right now. We're gonna go drop them off, and I think that we're gonna start on the Burnout truck today, if I'm not mistaken. We're gonna start today or tomorrow. We are on OTM crunch time. Estamos en OTM crunch time, and we got 30 days, ¿verdad? 30 days, because today's the 14th.
Season post 30 days.
So we're 30 days out from the show, and the Burnout truck is still the same.
Ese día va a haber un eclipse.
¿Va a haber un eclipse?
Sí.
Oh shit. ¿Cómo se va a llamar?
Pues es un eclipse, pero va a ser toda serie para allá para arriba.
So we're gonna be able to see an eclipse. After the YouTube, all the top dogs are gonna be there. So make sure you pull up. We're also gonna be there. We're gonna be taking the Burnout truck for sure, because we are in crunch time. Pero sí la vamos a acabar. We need to finish it, have it ready, and we might also take Pantera. We'll see. A ver cómo nos acomodamos. Because I know AB's also taking the Trailblazer SS. So we'll see. Si no, pero mal llevamos the Burnout truck for sure is going. We are going to be taking all the merch trailer, todo el pedo. We set up at OTM. Because it's going to be, of course, the car show, the burnouts, the music, and then racing. So vamos a quedar bien cansados. Y así nos cansamos at the previous one, que es nomás burnout and show and music. Ya me imagino cómo vamos a quedar con esto. But it's going to be a little bit of everything. Y va a estar bien mamalón el show. Y le estamos echando bastante ganas, so we can have the Burnout truck ready para ese día. So yeah, we're on the way to IC, para que nos expliquen tantito ahorita. Ni los he abierto, güey. I haven't even opened. I don't even know what they sent us. They did say they offered one of their newest kits que tienen for that truck. So that's gonna be badass. Something new to us, and we're appreciative of QA1 giving us the opportunity to unveil and ¿cómo dice? Lucir el coilover suspension que tienen ellos. And yeah, fierro. On our way to IC. Ahorita nos vemos. This video is officially sponsored by C4 Energy Drink.
El vato lo hicieron sponsor, güey, ¿con eso?
¿No sé?
Yeah. They're fucking badass, güey.
Sí, también.
Speaking of sponsors, I got something.
A ver.
Yeah.
Fíjate que un tiempo usaban esos para los camaros, ¿no te acuerdas tú, güey? Usaban ese tipo de para los camaros.
When are you gonna release the sticker? The one that you have in the back for the windshield, like the one you had in Pantera.
Oh, la grande. I kind of want to rework it.
I like it a lot. I never wanted a windshield sticker until I saw that one.
¿Cuál, el Racing o qué? ¿El Racing?
Sí, el Racing.
Kind of want to rework it porque ese, como decimos flat, well, you put it kind of
Yeah, verdad, güey. El pinche vato que lo hizo, bueno, güey.
sin agraviar a los presentes. Para que I want to adjust it that way, cuando lo pones se queda.
That's amazing. That's why I never finished my truck, please. I don't have that sticker.
God damn. I'll bring it tomorrow. Motivation, bro. Motivation.
Nah, ever since you put it, I think on La Pantera, I saw it, I was like, damn, like that's
¿La sister has it?
Sí.
No.
No, le quitamos.
No se lo pusimos. But yeah, I want to rework a little bit. Maybe.
El diablo es la que trae lo trae.
El diablo. El diablo es la que lo trae.
Yeah, I don't really see them go.
Yeah, I kind of, él me dijo, güey, let's make it, and then kind of see how they go.
It's bad, right?
So we're
No,
trying to do
right?
that one and maybe do like a poquito más chiquito, that way like sit like right in the center.
Yeah.
Kind of looks cool. So you know,
They put it in the back or wherever they want for the side. Yeah, nada sticker is bad.
Estos son los que yo quiero para la kilo. 24, güey. Yo quiero el by 9 enfrente. Ese trae 20 by 10s all around.
Yeah, this is smart.
I'm gonna give you a G. There's a sticker there. Una pinche navaja. Ve con los dientes.
¿Qué otra venía, güey?
¿Seguro? Always ready, compa. Compa snacks.
Siempre.
Compa snacks always ready. Siempre trae knife, trae pistola, band-aids, para parar la sangre. They don't call them technical, just call them practical. People really know us. Busy man, way always busy, bro. No, una era. ¿Para qué muere, güey? We got some swag, bro. Let's go to Papa. Go. Yeah,
So drive it like
yeah. Once we have, we'll put these on. Also got a banner.
Está por ahí en el shop, güey.
C and QA1.
Shout out for QA1.
Bro. And it was just out of the blue. Hey, we've kind of seen your videos, and I think you would be a perfect candidate. And they send us a lot of emails. I was like, me puro pinche pedo, like, because they always send us.
Sí.
Nos damos a whole lot to the other way, no lo confundemos. Puro pedo. So I kind of sent her a message, and huge shout out to Casey and John. Those are the guys that sent me a message and told me, hey man, you guys are a perfect candidate for this. We've seen your videos. We've seen the kind of influence you do, and you're the perfect guy. So they sent all the stuff. At me, I don't see it that way. I don't see it my way as an influencer, but other people are seeing it, and that's just what we want it. So we gotta keep on going. Pero holy shit, here you go, guys. That's like the full.
Now we're gonna do these. Más que este is designed for the coil spring, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna modify this bottom plate. Like I got both up, because they're not designed for coilover.
Yeah.
So vamos a design the bottom plate, we're gonna reinforce it, and we slap on the coilover.
Yo no sé nada. That's why we're here. You guys can
Acá la malona. Deja tú, güey. We're gonna do a 4-inch drop. Ya con el coilover enfrente, you can go even lower.
Yep. So para la gente que no sabe, drop shocks is one thing, and then coilovers es otra cosa, ¿verdad? I don't know that, so that's what I'm saying. Yo no sé nada. So these are the front.
To the front, y luego pues aquí tienes tu lower control arm, tienes tus uppers. Aquí tienes tus uppers, todo con madre. ¿Y qué más te mandaron?
Esto, I think these are the rear.
Perro, ¿cómo la haces? Y dicen que no hay apoyo en el valle.
¿Verdad que no?
No.
Oh, shit. Other people are. Yeah, these are the rear.
These are the rear, mira, single adjustable, mira. Yeah.
Wow. Mama Lawn. So it's gonna be the rear. Y explica lo que me dijiste que le vamos a poner a la.
So atrás, güey, le vamos a hacer un custom shock relocation by IHC.
And again, ese is only purchasable here.
Yes, sir. Only purchase here
House.
in-house. So la pantera, no, la pantera no.
Yo también me confundo con la
Yeah,
pantera. I keep saying pantera and then I'm
La pinche, la Burnout truck, que no tiene name. So
No tiene name.
drop a comment down below what you want to,
¿Qué le ponemos?
¿qué le podemos poner?
I
No
don't
sé.
know, man. We've been looking around. We're trying to search around. Es algo, pues, fresh to speak. Con la pantera, that's done, bro. And I've seen a lot of people that they've been calling it different trucks pantera, pero you say pantera, a lot of people know that they're talking about the Super Sport, de los RGVTRUCKS. Es badass.
En vez de esa le vamos a poner la OG Snacks.
La OG, a esta,
Las snacks.
la snack.
A ver qué nombre.
The snack.
Snack.
El peor es que va a ir de diferente color. Güey.
¿Qué pedo?
A ver qué.
Las quiero.
Sí, las quiero. we'll figure something out. So yeah, we got the front, we got the rear, y that's about it.
Y luego ahí tenemos las test tires que vamos a poner en los wheels.
Mira, let's go check out the wheels una vez. I know a lot of people are trying to see qué wheel lo vamos a poner.
Son pinches llantas tiradas los que me hallan en Star County, güey, por las lomas.
Son lo que hacían los columpios.
Sí, ahí los miré tirados, güey, y dije, no, este es negro, este es jale.
No these are the wheels que le vamos a poner. Rocky Ridge Off-Road wheels. I think these are 20 by 10. Y esta llanta se la queremos poner para calarla al tamaño, a ver cómo se ve. So, compa dijo, yo tengo
Esos melones.
que están todas miadas. Y se la vamos a poner. So we're gonna try the size. See if we like the size, we're gonna go with that. And if it's too wide, then we'll adjust it. But I think it's gonna be a perfect fit.
Sí, $315 all around. Vamos a ponerle.
So yeah, we got some cheap wheels, just because we want to try them out, a ver cómo se ven. And we got a good deal on them. So, this is gonna try. ¿Cuándo van a empezar, güey?
Ahora.
Así me gusta, güey.
Ahora.
Now, le digo que we're a little bit delayed, pero it's on my part, because we were waiting for the QA1 suspension components to come in. These guys were ready. They're ready to roll. Pero, yeah, I'm excited. No, ya no la quiero bajar, güey.
Ya te dije, güey, lo vas a hacer 5.7 y cuánto te vas a dar.
Yo sé, güey. And we're gonna talk a little bit of the interior. Actually, lo vamos a ir para atrás. We're gonna go one step back, right? We're gonna convert it to manual. I think it's a thing to do for safety reasons, because the electric hay que bajarla. If something happens y no se baja, güey, y está adentro, ya mamaste.
Te vas a coser.
Te vas a coser. So we wanna do the manual conversion. On this, we're gonna remove the carpet, and eventually we'll remove the seats, and that's our own sports seats. But that's gonna be a little bit más para adentro porque we're not gonna have time to have it ready OTM. But that's the plan para esta madre. We're gonna go step back, make it manual, remove the center console, and eventually we're gonna remove the seats. Carpet is gonna go, just for again safety reasons.
Oye, ¿y cuándo es OTM?
October 14, OTM's going down in Dallas.
Sí, también hay un eclipse.
Dice todo que hay un eclipse, güey, y que nosotros lo vamos a ver como
Esto es lo que es San Antonio, Austin, sin por arriba, de sectores de línea.
So, if you don't know, compa Snacks es un marciano. Ay, sabe mucho, es
el Snack Smith.
es el sobrino de Elon Musk. Sabe cómo está todo el pedo.
Sabe cómo corre el agua.
Pero sí, pero tus witnesses, no muchos van a por eso, van a be out there.
Mucha gente va a estar bien mamado, güey.
Le digo que va a haber car show, live burnouts,
Racing.
live music. Man, ¿qué más quieres? You do not want to miss it. It's going to be a badass show. ¿Tú vas a ir, verdad?
Yeah.
Sí, va a andar ahí el vato. ¿Anda grabando?
De repente. We'll figure it out.
We'll see what's up. We're excited.
No, dijo que estaba ¿cómo? Que una semana, ¿no? Que
sí, está blackout.
Ahorita estoy fuera de redes sociales, güey.
Está blacked out ahorita.
Por pito loco.
Pero fuiste loco.
Nunca andaba en una Shout out para el compadre Quizzy.
Quizzy, si estás viendo este video, I'm sorry.
Smooth el ride. Nunca me había subido que nunca me había subido una troquera con bags. That's a smooth ass ride, bro. Hey, ¿le ponemos backside aquí, loco?
No queda bajarle a ese, quieres meter.
No, no voy a poner back. Él me convenció. Yo do backside. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. We're gonna do a backside.
Se revuelve en la cara, ¿no?
Bueno, pero un pinche negro.
Lo que pasa cuando estás mucho en la oficina, güey, se te acaba el power.
Ah, el pinche power, vato. Llega tú, no me lo voy a acabar, güey.
De ahí la que decía yo, así con la mano, güey.
A ver, güey, explícalo, güey, cómo jala.
Sí, güey, porque
Tú eres el bueno.
No, just adjustability
so,
with this.
lo sube y lo baja,
Yeah.
right?
So the higher you go, the higher the truck is
The
gonna
higher it's gonna go.
The lower it is, the lower you're gonna go.
Are
But
we-
at the same time, you can't go too low because then you're gonna bottom out the shock.
Okay.
So it needs to be just right.
Está bueno. Fuck yeah.
And then like I was explaining, the reason we need to modify the arms is because the whole weight is gonna be just right here.
On that. Yeah.
And you don't want this to bend, it's gonna break. So we need to put a plate, it's gonna cover this, so we can mount this right here, and it's gonna be way more stronger,
That's
reinforced and everything.
expert talk.
Other than that, it should just be bolts on.
That's badass. I'm excited. Really excited
Hell yeah.
to showcase the Q1 suspension plus the IC kit. It's gonna be a game changer. So we're back at the studio, guys. We're actually in the coolness. Estaba ardiendo, güey, afuera. Acho bad. We're waiting for that winter weather. We're here at the studio, guys, just to show you a little bit of the merch that we do have. We have brand new merch that is gonna be dropping at the store. I know that we are sold out on some of the items. We just finished packing everything up, so we're gonna be updating the store. We also updated the price on the lanyard from $9.99 to $5. So you get your lanyard for $5. We update the stickers as well. Mostly all of them are $5 now, so it's $5 plus shipping. And I get a lot of questions. Can we pull up? Can we buy merch locally? Can you go this and that? Unfortunately, we do not have a store, so you cannot, walk in and purchase something. That's why we have the store, and we'll ship it to you for the shipping price. And the shipping price is reasonable because sometimes we have to actually pay a little more to get the stuff shipped. But again, that's logistics. Not an issue with that. But yeah, guys, some of the merch that we do have, we're going to be dropping it soon. We do have caps. We have more caps that we're actually going to be doing. We got a new patch coming in very soon, and we're going to be uploading some videos of that. Very excited to be doing the Burnout truck, and it's coming along. It's coming together. We're really excited. Again, crunch time for OTM, because OTM is happening October 14 at the Texas Motor Speedway, and we're super excited to put the Burnout truck in and in the showcase and just have fun, estar con la raza y divertirte ahí con todo el ambientazo, y estamos emocionados. So yeah, guys, remember our deals, $5. That's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe, and catch you in the next one.